Still tracking inventory the old school way? If you're thinking of building your own inventory management platform, here's what that really involves. You'll need product catalog with stock levels, supplier management, inventory tracking across locations, alerts for low stock, and dashboards and reporting. You're looking at about 70 screens across web and mobile. If built traditionally, this takes a full team: 2 project managers, 2 business analysts, 2 UI/UX designers, 2 solution architects, 4 developers, 2 QA testers, a DevOps engineer, and technical writer. A total of 16 people. Timeline around 102 weeks. Cost a whopping $290,000. Now, here's how much faster and better it's done with Xamun. Xamun uses AI to scope the project, auto-generate UI, user stories, test cases, front-end, back-end, and database code, integrate payments with pre-built components, and cut QA time. Same platform, but now, only 5 people in 4 weeks. Cost only $155,000 for both web and mobile. That's up to 96% faster, 320% more efficient, and over 47% more affordable. Design and build your software with Xamun so you can deliver web and mobile software at enterprise quality and startup velocity. Start a free trial or book a meeting at www.xamun.ai.